Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully and welcome to our first Vlogtober. I decided literally yesterday I want to do Vlogtober, and it's where you post a new video every day in the month of October, and it's kind of fun to watch them, so I figured I'd go ahead and give it a shot. I don't know if I can do every single day, but I'm going to try my best, and I figure this will challenge me to get really good at editing and uploading since it usually takes me so long, and I love to improve the process so I can spend less time on it. So anyway, that's my goal, and here I have ordered myself some clip-in extensions, and they're from Irresistible Me, and I just wanted to show you. I unboxed them and I want to test out the color. I have not put them in my hair yet, so this video is not going to include that, but I just wanted to show what it looked like when I pulled them out of the box. And they give you this little mini version to test, and it says on the packaging that that's the one that you need to open and test and make sure the color matches, but don't open the other ones until you're ready to commit to them. This is a little hair net, and I was trying to be gentle, and then I was just curious because I was just wondering what the hair would smell like, and it smells exactly like doll hair. And it's so funny that it smells like that because it just takes you right back to being a little girl playing with your dolls. I sent a picture in to the website and they suggested the light brown color for me, even though I have auburn hair with some old highlights and a lot of gray. This doesn't look too bad actually, so I'm very impressed. So stay tuned for a future video where I'll give them a test, open the whole package up and put them in my hair and see how it does. The other thing I wanted to show you is this is an old nail polish that I absolutely love. It's like a dark maroon color. I've had it for years. It's called Snap, and I just love it so much, but it's old and crusty, and so I ordered a new one from Amazon, and it has the same exact name, but I didn't think to check the numbers, and I don't know if they just changed the formula, the coloring, or the numbers, or what, but I love that I could get it from Amazon. But when it came in, it was not the same color. It's more red and less like the deeper color, and so I decided, instead of like returning it to Amazon, I just figured I'd put like a coat of black on the bottom as like a base coat, and then a coat of this Snap on top, and it turned out pretty good. So that's what you see on my nails right now. It's the dark color, but it's using the new Snap with black. And then I also wanted to show, because I'm really not an expert at makeup, hair, nails, anything, but I wanted to show that I just put a lot of coats on my hands and it gets all over the place, but with as many times as you wash your hands, by the next day it usually looks fine. It like comes off my skin, so I don't stress about it. I do put like a base coat, 2 coats of color, and then I usually let that dry for a whole day before I put the top coat on. And by the time I put the top coat on, it's looking pretty good because there's all that part on my skin has come off. So I just wanted to share that with you because I don't want it to seem like, you know, like I'm really good at doing nails, because I'm not. And you would think I would be, because I've been doing them for so long, since I was, you know, like a teenager, and I have a lot of colors and I like to change my nail color all the time. I like to do them myself because then I can just do them anytime I want and I don't have to make an appointment. But for some reason, I don't know, it's probably just because I'm lazy. I just feel like it's going to come off later anyway, so I don't worry about it getting on my skin and my cuticles and stuff. So anyway, this is what it looks like the next day, and I put the top coat on there, and you can see that there's not much left on my skin, but they look pretty good. And anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. This past Sunday, I met my dear friend Melissa at church for my first time since COVID, and it was so nice to be back in the sanctuary listening to praise music and hearing a good message, as opposed to sitting on the couch doing that. And then we had a great Italian lunch and went to a pumpkin patch and corn maze.
Okay.
And she treated me to a fun day to celebrate my birthday together. It was a beautiful hot day, and I loved how the corn maze was set up to honor the everyday heroes, and I felt like a kid again and enjoyed seeing so many people out having fun outside, and the people working there were happy and energetic, and it was just a wonderful time.
I knew you were gonna get it. Oh, gee.
I have some pictures here and a few little clips, and it was just so much fun, and I'm so grateful for that beautiful fun day. So thank you, Melissa. If you've been thinking about subscribing but just haven't done it yet, please go ahead and pull the trigger, hit that subscribe button, and be sure your notifications are on so that you get notified of our Vlogtober videos. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.